Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to configure a public IP in Mikrotik. Start by connecting with Winbox, Webfig, or SSH, then open IP addresses and add the public address to the correct interface. Next, set IP routes with the provider gateway, update IP DNS with your preferred servers, and test with ping to confirm reachability. When assigning the public IP, be clear and methodical. Open IP addresses, click Add, paste the address with the netmask, and pick the ISP-facing interface. Keep the comment field for tracking, then enable the entry. After saving, verify the interface shows the new address and use a ping to test external reachability while monitoring logs for errors. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like because it really helps the channel. Quick recommendation. The book The Simple Path to Wealth pairs nicely with networking projects by clearing money stress, so you can focus on tech. I find its practical advice oddly motivating when troubleshooting routers. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Routing and NAT are key once the public IP is set. Add a 0, 0, 0, 0/0 route pointing to the ISP gateway, and under IP firewall NAT, create a source NAT rule using Masquerade for your LAN. Then craft input and forward firewall rules to permit management and necessary services while protecting the router. Test external access from a LAN client and refine rules for security and performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.